Not the best cook.
Today we are making cookies. Not just any cookies, but crispy chocolate chip cookies. The one that when you bite it, it crumbles in your mouth, like your dreams and hopes collapsing in real life. Here's an easy, more efficient way to make crispy cookies using ready-made cookies I found on the floor. That way you don't have to make them from scratch. Then we slap them onto the cutting board to open the package. Look at these cookies. To make perfectly crispy cookies, add a handful of legal food-grade white powder to this crystal bowl. Add a few units of water measured by hand. Mix the dough manually. Drop the cookies like your parents dropped you into the pool when you were a baby. Drown the cookies in this non-suspicious white liquid. Heat the pan. Test the oil's heat using a traditional method. Gently slide the cookies down into the hot oil. Let the cookies rest for a few minutes, flipping them once or twice. Hold it like this for a moment to let the excess oil drain. Place the cookies on paper towels to absorb excess oil. These two steps are important because they let you enjoy fried food without guilt and falsely reassure you that removing excess oil keeps your calories within your daily target. Now let's arrange the cookies properly for the thumbnail. Don't judge by outward appearance, it's what's inside that matters. Taste test time. Don't try this at home. I would give this 2 stars. What we have learned today is that sometimes the outside does matter. See you all next week.